upon a time, long ago in North Halmahera, there was a village called Lisawa. Lisawa hamlet is not yet inhabited by many people, and only a few families live there, occupying the Duru, occupying the Duru traditional house. There still live a handsome young man named Magohiduru and beautiful girl named Majo Jaruwu are lovers. Magohiduru had intended to propose to Majojuru, but he realized that his life was still very difficult and he needed to work before marrying his lover. As a result, Magohiduru decided to wander until he succeeded before applying for Majojuru. His wish was immediately conveyed to the woman he idolized after he got the blessing of his parents. Magohiduru boarded a ship and he sailed to the other side. In chronology, it's been a year since he left the village where his parents and girlfriend live. Majojuru himself had been anxiously awaiting the arrival of his lover.
I have something to tell you.
What is it, said?
I want to go abroad looking for a profession for our future. After it works, I will immediately propose to you. You are willing to wait until I get home or when you. If you really want to wander, then go. I will faithfully wait for you to return.
I also promise to come back soon. My goal grand out pledged to get for Manjojaro was stunned, but he understood his lover's wishes. Even though he was sad and didn't seem sincere, he finally allowed his lover go aboard. Magohidoro was happy to get permission from his lover. Moreover, he also heard the promise of allegiance from Majojuru, which added confidence in his heart. He also ventured to approach the ship and asked one of the crew. One day, while waiting at the dock, Majojuru saw a ship that he scanned all the passengers who got off, hoping that his lover Magohiduru was among them. However, the person who is being does not also appear to have a nose. Excuse me, sir. Do you know Magohiduru?
Oh, Magohiduru, yes, I know that poor handsome young man.
If I remember correctly, he boarded this ship to go abroad to another country. Have you heard of him, sir? Manjojaru increasingly panicked and curious after hearing the answer from the beginning of the ship was. The crew said that Magohiduru had died of first. The cause was an accident while he was at work. Majojoru was shocked by the news, was helpless. Gone are the hopes and dreams of being side by side with his beloved lover. In a sad and frantic condition, Majuro strangered back to his house. However, before then, he calmed down first and sat on the rocks under a banyan tree to mourn his fate. Manjojaro also drowned in the air that welled his eyes. Then he died not long after in that place. A smell like what was formed was water was as clear as theirs and birds left the sky. A few days after the incident, a resident passed by looking for firewood. How surprised he was after seeing a smell like with very clear water there. In fact, previously there were only rocks. Without thinking, the man immediately informed the resident of the village of Lisawa. The resident were in a proud when being surprised and grateful, especially considering that so far they had really had a hard time getting clean water. They also flocked to the lake in question. At the edge of the lake, one of the residents who is considered a traditional elder asked. It is said that according to a Maluku folk tale that explores the origin of Telaga Biru, Majujur cried for 3 days and their nights because his lover left him forever. Tears welled up in her eyes and gradually pulled until white drowned the rocks where she was sitting.
Do you know where this spring comes from?
We don't know. This lake was already there when I passed by this place. Even though it was there the previous day.
One of the residents to the traditional elder. Not wanting the resident to think bad things, the traditional elders and some village returned to the village. They get rid every inhabitant of the village, from children to the elderly, to tell them what had really happened. One of the residents to the traditional elder. Not wanting the resident to think bad things, the traditional elders and some village returned to the village. They get rid every inhabitant of the village, from children to the elderly, to tell them what had really happened.
Sir, call this be I think something by will help me in or feel like. My people know that in our village a strange event has just occurred. There was a lake that suddenly appeared on the edge of the village. It's better if we do a traditional ceremony to unravel the mystery of the emergence of the lake.
Immediately after the notification, the residents worked together to prepare all the necessities for the traditional ceremony. They will call the spirits of the ancestors and ask for guidance from God Almighty. When the ceremony took place, a voice that was considered a whisper from the ancestor was heard, which read by
Residents of Dusun Lisawa, please know that the lake appeared because of the tears of a girl whose heart was broken when her lover died. Could it be that any of your family members are currently not in the village? Rose from Sininga, Irogi, de Itepi, Sidago Chongo, formerly de Yuhi, Imadadi, Ak, Majububu.